Hello everyone! Today we're going to make 3 different types of ornaments. For the first ornament we'll need our skinny piece of twine and to tie a knot right at the top. That way we can hang it on our tree. Once that knot's complete, we'll need our 3 beads of different sizes and string them onto the twine. Now that that's all finished, we have to tie off the other ends so our beads don't come off. Now we'll give our cute little snowman a little scarf. So we'll wrap that between the 2 beads and tie it off, and finally finish it off with some paint. Next we'll be making this macrame snowflake. First we'll need our little wooden ring and our skinnier twine. We'll fold it in half and loop the knot around the ring. Once it's looped around, we'll tie the ends so that way it's something we can hang on the tree again. You can trim off those edges. I didn't do that until the very end. Next we'll take our thicker pieces, put them in half, and tie them on the same way we tied on our hanging string, just without tying off the ends. Again, we're folding it in half, putting it underneath the ring, and putting the ends through the loop, and pulling tight. Once you have that down, you'll do that, many more times and readjust. It's going to be tight on that ring, so you'll need to squish them together. Once it's positioned how you like, you can get a comb and comb out the strings. Then I decided to trim mine into a circular shape, and there you have it. Finally, I'll show you how to make our Christmas tree macrame ornament. We'll start by tying another loop knot at the top of our long piece of twine, then adding a bead to it. Now we'll take our shorter pieces 2 at a time, fold them each into loops on opposite sides, and put one over and one under, and loop the ends into the opposite loops, and pull tight. Now to get this ladder effect, we have to remember which side of each loop was under the fabric and kind of alternate back and forth to make this kind of ladder effect that you'll see. Again, I'm repeating that process, pulling it tight, and now you can see that the top of the knot is on either side. I'm gonna do this next one wrong on purpose so that way you can see what the difference is. You might choose to just keep it stacked all on one side, but I like the idea of it alternating instead of it all being the knot on the one side. So whichever side you want your knot to be on, put that loop on the bottom of the long string. So just stack it underneath and then keep pulling tight. And we're going to do this again and again until we have no little strings left. Remembering to keep alternating. Now that we're finishing up tying all of our little pieces on, we can comb them out and trim them into a tree shape. And there you have it, all 3 of our ornaments. Thanks for watching.